Hey guys, for this video, I'll just be doing a quick assembly of this keyboard stand. It came with this little set of instructions here. There's only a few steps, so it should be pretty simple. So first thing we're going to do is grab this pin and knob out of your hardware pack. And I'm going to take the knob off. So just unscrew that. And then we'll grab our two crossbars, or I think the instructions might refer to it as X bars or something like that. And you want to make sure that you have this adjustment handle at the top. So we're just going to put these together like, let's see, so put these together like this. And then I'm going to take our pin here and slide it all the way through. Oops, forgot to take off the washer. So take the washer off first. As you'll see, maybe you can see, probably not, but this has like a little square section on it that goes into the square holes on here. So if the washer's there, it's in the way. So take the washer off, slide the pin through both of the bars. Now take the washer and put it on this side. And then go ahead, take your knob and screw it onto that pin. So very basic setup there. That's what allows you to pivot these. So if you can see, this pin here kind of just locks in like that. And this one holds it together. So super easy to take apart. So I'm going to set that down a little bit. And next, we'll put our feet on. So our bottom set of feet. To do that, it only has, there's only 4 bolts. Right, so 1 bolt for each foot, and then an Allen wrench to tighten it. So we'll grab all of those out. I'm going to just flip this upside down. And at the end of the bars there's little holes. So that's what we'll be lining up the feet with. So just place it on there. You see there's holes in the feet. Place it on there, line it up, get your bolt through. See? And I'll just start it by hand tightening it. That's good enough. And then we'll do the other one. Same thing. Drop the bolt through. Line it up with the leg. Oops. Don't drop it. So I always like to hand tighten things first to make sure I'm not cross threading it. Because if you cross thread it and tighten it, then you have a lot more problems later. All right, so we got those kind of hand tightened started. So grab the Allen wrench that comes with the set. And tighten both sides. You don't have to go crazy tightening them down. Go. So see, that was pretty easy to get our legs on. And then same thing for our top ones. Got the bolts, put them through, line it up. Hand tighten. Same thing. Bolt through. line it up, and then hand tighten it. Then take the Allen and finish tightening the bolts. And bam, that's it, guys. I mean, super simple. You see how small it folds down. It's a pretty light setup here, so which makes it really convenient for traveling, which is why it's portable. And of course, you can adjust your height just by squeezing this knob here, how I showed you earlier. All right, so that's it. Thanks.